Hello class, this is Miss Montes, and this week we're going to be going over chapter 11 of the novel that we've been reading, The Outsiders. Okay, so today I posted reminding you that this week is going to be chapter 11. I've attached in the classwork, let me see, I'm going to go to classwork. Here in the classwork, you can already see I attached the assignment. Let me see if I can click on it. So here is just two questions on chapter 11. Explain why Pony might rather have anyone's hate than their pity. So in other words, why would he rather someone hate him than pity him? Pity is just a word that means why would somebody feel sorry? So he would rather be hated, than have people feel sorry for him. Why? You need to explain in a complete sentence. Number two, what do you think is going on with Ponyboy when he says Johnny didn't have anything to do with Bob's getting killed? So what does he mean by that? Now I have the video link here. So for the whole chapter 11 here, it's going to be read to you. And as you see, chapter 11 is a very, very short read. It's 7 minutes and 55 seconds. So you can get that ready and read super quick. Or you can clearly, you can also as well read your book, your PDF file, or play the audio that I'm attaching here. Now I'll attach the audio again over here. I think I did in the classwork. So once you read or you listen to the audio for chapter 11, go ahead and type in your responses and then go ahead and submit. I can actually already see that 4 of you have already turned it in. So great job to those 4 of you who have done so already. Just want to double check that. Okay, yeah, in the stream from this morning, I also posted the audio. So you can just look at the audio here as well. So once you listen to the audio or read chapter 11, answer your questions, you can go ahead and move on to the multiple choice. Let me see, chapter. Okay, yes, the quizzes. 4 of you have also done the quizzes. So for chapter 11, The Outsiders, today you'll be completing a quiz on quizzes. All you have to do is sign in and click on the link. The quiz will be on the book that we are reading, The Outsiders, chapter 11. So remember, you don't have to create an account. All you do is click on the link here. I believe this quiz has 12 questions. So here you can just put play again. So it's going to directly give you the quiz. So remember, you are being timed up here. So when that bar turns off, that means you run out of time. So there's 12 questions for the quiz. Once you finish the quiz, please make sure to screenshot or take a picture of your score with your phone or your laptop, depending if your laptop has that screenshot capability. And then you're gonna upload your grade here. So let me just see these 4 students that already submitted. So Alan already turned in his. I can see his score here. So great job, Alan. Okay, so he has, okay, let me see. Alan, I think I need your score though. Okay, well, it's 100 because you had you ranked. Okay, got it. So just make sure when you send me your screenshot, the percentage comes out. I can decipher Alan's there because he was ranked first, so more than likely he got 100. But yeah, the score doesn't come out. Let me check the other ones. Let me look at Carlos's. Okay, see, so Carlos's score tells me right here he got 100. So that's what I need to see in your screenshot, your actual score of 100 or 90 and 91 or whatever it is that you got. Let me see Nestle's. Okay, so if you can do the screenshot like this, how Nestle did it, it gives me everything, how many you got correct, and the actual accuracy score, which is 100%. So please use this as a reference when you're screenshotting it. That way I get all the points there and I'm able to see the actual percentage. So once you do your quizzes, you know we have our weekly class discussion. As you see, I created the post, but I have not come up with the class discussion question. That'll be after probably Wednesday. You know, we are meeting every Friday. We do our Google Meet either Thursday or Friday. So be on the lookout for that. I'll send you a message on Remind. I'll post it here on Google Classroom. Okay, so let me just over here. Upcoming again, these are the 3 assignments for the week. We have chapter 11 questions, the outsiders. Then you have the quiz on chapter 11, quizzes, and our class discussion that will be due on Friday. So those are the assignments for the week. Remember, we do have Mr. Ramirez, our teacher aide, that you can reach out to as well if you need any further assistance. Have a great day, class.